This is the dashboard. Now I'm going to be up front and say, I'm not a biker. Never been on a bike. So I got to ask, is the dancing on the bike at red lights and stops, is that a thing among bikers? Or is this guy just weird? Now I can see maybe shaking out the stiffness from riding, but this doesn't really look like that to me. Let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Robbie, John, and Katie, make sure you're with us tomorrow morning.
Kevin James, tickets at $7.25.
And $300 Visa gift cards with January.
99.1 WQIK.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.